This video will show you how to make a bar graph using Microsoft Excel. So once you have the program open, you need to have your categories and then your data. So this question is, would you rather go on vacation to Alaska? 5 people chose that. Bermuda, 7 people chose that, and so on and so forth. So I've asked a total of 23 people, right? 5 of them said Alaska. So I have all of that data in my sheet. The next thing I need to do is I'm going to click on Alaska, hold the mouse down, and drag so that I highlight the information in A and B that I want to be graphed. Go into Insert at the top here. You can click on Recommended Charts, and it recommends this bar graph, and click OK. And then see the plus sign right here, you want to click that and add your axis titles. You can also add data labels if you would like. Then you have to give it a title. So something like, where would you rather go on vacation? Down here on the bottom are location options, and then on the left would be number of people. The other thing you can do is change the color. You right click and hit fill. You can change the colors of the different bars. So that is how you make a quick bar graph in Excel. Go into your file and save, and then you can submit that into the assignment Dropbox.